This has come off my Dyson battery hoover at home. Well, it's not a hoover, is it? It's a battery Dyson. Anyway, this rotating drum here only runs for a few seconds and then it stops. It's been getting on my nerves, so I thought I'd see if I could get to the bottom of it. Take off this strip here. It's just held on with a couple of posi screws. Couple of them. And then get yourself, I think that's a T9, and reach down the centre like that with your T9 in there. Hold on, like that. So reach down the centre and undo the little silver screw in the centre of this wheel. This is the driving wheel for the drum. And when you get that wheel out, you'll find it's all mangled up with hair like that. So that's where it went. I was wondering where it had gone off the top of my head, and it's turned up inside my Dyson. So then you just put that back on there, do the screw up, put your plate back on, load the brush in, and that'll be it. That's it, look. So that's what was stopping it. It would run for about 3 or 4 seconds and then stop. It's an easy repair. So you get your brush with the drive end. That's not the drive end, that's the drive end. Poke it in there. Get the cap. Don't let the wife catch you doing this on the worktop. Okay, so that only ran for a couple of 3 seconds. So that's the fix. If it keeps stopping, take the hair out from in there. And this is the model